My ranting for soldering is over. Let's start. I was able to solder all the wires to the ESC successfully, and I'm very happy with the output. But I do want to share how I solved this problem in this short video. Let me grab the hardware. These are the two different soldering iron and four different brands of soldering wire that I bought to get the job done. Look, what I will say to you is that don't buy anything cheap or you are setting yourself up for failure. Look for the tips that are distinctly silver on the edges and always keep the tips stained. The cheap soldering irons will not heat up the tips properly and they come with low quality tips too. In my case, I found out a good quality soldering wire is the solution. Don't buy cheap soldering iron if you're a beginner. See you next time. Stay tuned. Bye.